Good morning, Tim. All right, here is your 698. Sitting on old blue, my 48. Testing and adjustment have gone well. Look down inside. You can see she's nice and dry. No leaks there. No leaks here. No leaks there. Yes, sir. Looking good. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. Okay. Let's look at some numbers. Idle RPM is right at about 675. That's good. I like it between 650 and 700. Fuel pressure running about 2.75. Vacuum, look at there, 23, nice and steady. And there's my dwell at 42. All right, we'll pull it through a couple more times for you here. All right, sir. I think you're going to like it. Thank you.